Welcome to FTP Attachments video series. In this video, we'll guide you how to use Custom Link Manager tool. Custom Link Manager has been provided to facilitate end users to create custom links on various objects. FTP Attachments Managed package contains some custom links. These are read-only links. This can be used for standard Salesforce objects. These links point to Enigma's server. In order to use your own server, you can create new custom links on the standard as well as custom objects. Various links can be created such as attach, view, update, and delete. Let us create attach link. Navigate to Custom Link Manager from Tools menu. Enter your Salesforce login credentials. And click on Login button. This will open Create or Update Link utility. In order to create a custom link on a custom object, it is necessary to have a lookup relationship between the custom object and the FTP attachment custom object. Navigate to your Salesforce account. We have a custom object named customer. Let us create a attach link on this object. For this, navigate to Setup. Open FTP Attachments custom object. In this Custom Fields and Relationships section, create a new lookup field related to our custom object customer. In this way, the customer lookup field will appear in the custom fields of FTP attachments object. Now navigate to our application. Select the attach link from link action. Now you can see the customer as an object here. Enter the standalone server base URL. If you have hosted your application with Enigma, enter the URL as shown. The standalone server base URL defines the URL of the server where your application has been installed. Enter the name of the link. Enter the label. Select a display type. The display types are available as detail page link, detail page button, and list button. If we select detail page link, then the attach link will appear in the custom links section on the custom object. If we select detail page button, a button for attach will be created in the custom button section. If we select list button option, then attach button will be created in the FTP attachments related list section. Here are various fields on the customer object are available. These fields are used to define the name of the folder or directory where your attachments will be stored on the server. Let us select name of the customer. Click on Add button. In this way, now our attachments will be stored in the folder having the customer name. Enter the server profile. By using this field, you can store your attachments on different servers. Click on Insert button. This will create attach link. Navigate to Salesforce. Open the custom object. In the custom buttons and links, you can see the link we have created. Navigate to customer. Open a record of customer. Edit its layout. Open the custom links. Here, the link we have created will be available. Let us add this link to our page layout and click on Save button. In this way, we have created attached link. Thank you.